Welcome to Lyle's Kitchen, guys. Today we're making pesto chicken with tortellini pasta. I just added some salt and pepper for seasoning, some oil to my pan just so I can cook the chicken all the way through. I used batoni 3-cheese tortellini. Added a little salt and pepper and oil to my water with some red and yellow cherry tomatoes with some sun-dried tomatoes. Yum. Some asparagus, and then mixed it in with my pesto. Voila! There you have it. Chicken pesto with tortellini pasta. Thanks for watching, guys. Check back next week to see what I'm making.